The major cause of fatalities involving small boats is drownings from falls overboard, which is why it is important for boaters to wear their personal flotation devices. In certain weather conditions and on some vessels, boaters are wise to wear a safety harness with a safety line secured to the vessel. These falls overboard may have several causes, however, oftentimes they are the direct result of a vessel capsizing. A capsizing is the overturning of a vessel on its side and is most common in small sailboats and canoes. It can occur either from operator error, heavy winds, or rough waters. Luckily, these smaller boats will usually stay afloat after capsizing and provide support to the victims. Capsizing illustrates the importance of always wearing a PFD. In the event that someone on the vessel does fall overboard, as the operator, you should do the following. Slow down or stop if possible, and throw something buoyant to assist the person overboard. This will also help to briefly mark the spot if the person overboard submerges. Assign one person to keep sight of the overboard person and have them continuously point to the victim's location. Carefully maneuver to recover the overboard person. Powerboats should keep them on the operator side of the vessel. Establish contact with the victim using a buoyant heaving line or life buoy secured to the boat with a line and recover the person. If retrieving the victim from the stern, be sure to turn off the propeller. A heavy rope, chain, or cable secured at both ends and draped over the side so that it is almost touching the water can provide a makeshift step if no boarding ladder is available. In the event that you are ever on board a vessel that capsizes, or if you yourself fall overboard, remember the following. Remain calm and you conserve energy. If possible, take a head count and signal for rescue. Stay with the boat unless it is headed for a hazard. If possible, try to right the boat. At the very least, you should try to get as much of your body out of the water and onto the capsized vessel as possible. This will allow you to conserve valuable energy and delay the onset of hypothermia. Improvise flotation. If the boat is not nearby, use floating items around, such as an empty fuel tank, a cooler, or fenders to help you stay out of the water and afloat. When separated from your boat in a swift river current, float on your back with your feet downstream. In order to prevent a capsizing or a fall overboard, it is important to remember the following. Be sure to stay centered and low in the vessel. Always maintain 3 points of contact when moving about the vessel. Do not overload the boat and ensure the load is distributed evenly. Take corners at a safe speed and angle. Watch for other boats' waves and take them head-on off the bow. Reduce your speed or avoid boating in bad weather that creates rough water. Remember to never tie an anchor rode line to the stern of the boat. This will place even more weight at the back of the boat and increase the chances of swamping.